Everybody happy?
Ellie, quit.
Santa Claus
Bothers
good,
you if I
everybody?
got it in this one.
I was gonna dress up like Santa Claus, but I couldn't find a Santa suit big enough. Get your blood out of Beltway. Alright, everybody knows Jeff Foxworth lives here.
Me? Do you like
So,
it?
Everybody needs to get quiet.
only this is, instead of you might be a redneck, it's you might be a walrus. If you are not allowed in any business that serves alcoholic beverages, you might be a walrus. They still out. If you have any facial features with scars resembling human teeth marks.
Damn, I give me hell right off the bat. I guess it started me and him with me, huh?
Daniel.
If your entire family, including aunts, uncles, cousins, all the way down the line, think that you're Perry Mason because you're a secretary at the courthouse, I don't know how to do this one.
Might be a walrus.
If Avon calls, won't know if you have any extra skin so soft.
You might be a loss.
You might be a walrus. If you are on welfare and have $2,000 of stereo equipment sitting in your living room,
Well, they have. There's a stereo equipment right there.
most walruses are hard-working people. And they get really ticked off when they have to leave work to go to town and pick up their disability checks.
She's skipping over.
She's reading over them and making sure she don't say nothing too bad. Ain't she, Shelly?
Yeah.
Hey, this good things there real fast.
That's where you start.
Well, I got scratched out, but I'm trying to think.
Don't sit down on that, Shelly. Stand up on it. So we
Should
can
I?
all notice you.
If you automatically take offense to words you don't understand, like heterosexual my ass, I'll make you think homo sapien. If you have a standing account at the video store, if your family entertains themselves by discussing each other's bodily functions,
Hey, there's one in every crowd.
You might be alone.
if you go around Sunday morning trying to find out what a good time you had Saturday night, you might.
Where you at, Greg? Hey, that one didn't point directly to me, Leonard.
If your dining room is divided into farting and non-farting sections. If you've ever said, no, she's not a chauffeur, she's my girlfriend.
Well, yeah, Jeff too.
If you get a call from the hospital saying your wife has been in an accident because she hit a deer and you want to know exactly where did she hit that deer. If you think Mars is just a candy bar.
Is that the end?
Well, there's just one, but it probably won't be any good either because I didn't think it was any good and I thought the others were.
Probably the funniest one, too.
If when you write a check somewhere, they start inquiring about other members of your family. I guess that's it.
Let's give Shelly a big hand.
Scratch my big butt with it.
She left out the one, if you take a stick to the bathroom with you.
Hey, y'all come on before I flush.
You might not be a Wallace, you are a Wallace.
darn it.
Might be a wasp. When you flush the commode, all the dogs are over the hill to eat the sewage.
All the dogs is over, he'll eat the sewage.